everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are trying to make us a fruit fly catcher. I'm going to show y'all what you can use to try to get rid of those pesky little fruit flies. During the summer when our gardens start coming in and our blackberries and blueberries and all our fruit starts coming in and we have to pick it, well, so does the flies, the little fruit flies. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a little mixture you can make up that those fruit flies just love. Let's get started. Okay, y'all, the first thing we're going to add to our little bitty cup, and you can use any kind of cup that's small that you can set on your counter that you don't want to reuse, but it's little enough to be out of the way. We're going to add a half a cup of water. And now to the water, we're going to add a teaspoon of white sugar. And now we're going to put some Blue Dawn, probably about a teaspoon of that also. And now we're going to put some apple cider vinegar. Now you want to use the apple cider vinegar over the white vinegar, or that's what we do. And I'm not going to measure it, but I'm going to put probably around 2 tablespoons. Whoa, that apple cider vinegar is strong smelling already. And now to that, I'm going to put just a few drops, probably about 1 tablespoon actually, of some kind of wine. We're not going to measure it, but that wine is what gives it that fruity smell too. That may be more like 2 tablespoons, but I want my mixture to have a fruity smell and even a yeast smell like from the wine. So now we're going to take a piece of saran wrap and we're going to cover our cup. This is actually that, I think, called press and seal, but you can use regular old saran wrap. And then you got to make a hole for them to try to go in. Now we're just going to take a pencil and we're going to punch those little flies some holes to get down in. Now you can do it without the little saran wrap, but I just think that once they get in there, it's harder for them to get out if you use the cover on your little fly trap. So now we're going to see if we can catch some flies. So we're just going to set it over here. And I've already seen a couple today. So now we're going to wait, and it may be a day or so, but we'll see how long it takes to start drawing some of those fruit flies to our mixture. Okay, y'all, I hope you like this little trick on how to catch those fruit flies. If it helps you and you try it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like our video. If it works for you, tell it down below. And like always, thanks for watching.